Garbage disposal not working? Not sure if you should fix it or replace it? Let's answer some common questions. How long should a garbage disposal last? Most units last 8-15 years with proper care. What should you do if your disposal won't turn on? First, press the reset button underneath. If that doesn't work, check your breaker. What should never go in your garbage disposal? Avoid grease, coffee grounds, bones, and fibrous foods. They can clog or damage your system. Still have questions or need a repair? Call Perry Aire Services, Inc., Fredericksburg at 540-286-6963.